For any woman who has ever lifted someone else up, or you know someone who has lifted someone else up, this message is for you. So thank yourself or your mum, because despite her faults, she not only gave you life, but she encouraged you to move. And if you had the ability to click on the button that brought you here and to understand this message, she's been part of that. The hand that rocks the cradle is the one who rules the world. And we all have the potential to make the world a better place. And if she's not able to move the way she'd like to because she's got too much pain or stiffness, then give her a big hug today, or a virtual hug if you can't be there. Encourage her to eat well, sleep well, exercise, or make time for herself. Because when women can move, they lead. And if you care for those who care for others, you make the world a better place too. If your mum can't move her knees well, then we do have a program to help women move well and make it easy for them to do so. But let's all get together and make the world a better place together. Happy Mother's Day.